So the most common steroid found in the body is cholesterol. Let's look at estradiol, which is an estrogen, and testosterone, which is an androgen. The function of these chemicals is regulation of secondary sexual characteristics. Estradiol is considered a female hormone, while testosterone is considered to be a male hormone. But as it turns out, and you probably know this already, both testosterone and estrogen are found in males and females. It's just different concentrations and different amounts throughout your life. For example, testosterone, once a boy goes through puberty, boys have more testosterone than girls, and then they have a maximum amount of testosterone in their adolescence and through their early 20s, and then as they live throughout their life, their testosterone levels naturally decline as they get older. So testosterone was responsible for the male secondary sexual characteristics. Testosterone is what we would consider an androgenic hormone, because an androgenic effects would be the secondary male sexual characteristics, and it's also an anabolic. So it's an androgenic, so that's the sexual characteristics, and it's an anabolic. An anabolic is to build up, so that it increases bone size and muscle mass and whatnot, and strength. Okay? But both of these hormones, as I said, start off as cholesterol, and then the body changes them through one other step, and then either into the female hormone or the male hormone. And if you look at this, these two hormones are very similar in structure. There's not that long hydrocarbon chain like it's found on the cholesterol. Instead, there's just this basic 4-ring system. And so this side of the molecule from here over in both of them is identical. What's different is this A ring. In this case, it's called an aromatic ring, and that means, it's a phenyl group or a benzene ring over here. And this has just one double bond, and then a double bond to the oxygen, where this still has the hydroxide. So just those two little changes right there make all the difference between the male and female characteristics. And when you look at things like this, it helps you understand how some animals, very, very simple animals, some certain types of worms and whatnot, are capable of being either a female or a male, back and forth within the same life cycle. Okay?